The debate over the existence of consciousness presents a fascinating challenge to purely atheistic, or rather materialistic, explanations of the mind. Consciousness has several unique characteristics that set it apart from other physical phenomena. One would be qualitative experience, or rather the subjective feeling or what it's like to have mental states. Another would be intentionality, mental states that can be about or directed toward things. Another would be privacy, mental states that are internal and accessible only to the individual. And lastly, non-physical properties. Mental states lack spatial dimensions and other physical characteristics. Two key arguments challenge naturalistic explanations of consciousness. The something from nothing problem. Through natural processes, the universe began through only physical particles and forces, and these particles formed increasingly complex structures according to atheists and materialists, which, by the way, violates entropy laws and thermodynamic equilibrium constant, but that's another discussion. But if we're to buy that, the leap from physical matter to conscious experience seems inexplicable. How can purely mechanical processes generate subjective awareness? The second argument is the evolution problem. While natural selection explaining the development of physical structures and behaviors is shaky to begin with, it most certainly cannot explain the existence of consciousness itself. The specific contents of consciousness seem unnecessary from an evolutionary perspective. Simply stating that consciousness emerges when matter reaches sufficient complexity doesn't solve any problems. It merely restates them in an even more grand form. These challenges suggest that purely materialistic, or rather atheistic, view of consciousness may be insufficient to explain its origins.